Okay, so to do the discharge, I'm using this discharger, and eventually it's pretty easy to use it. You just connect it to the cells. So I will find where I can connect. Let's say here and here somehow. And I don't see any voltage, so need to check why. There is a voltage, so why it is not showing the voltage? It is showing, the contact was not okay. So I will try to reconnect it. And now I will apply a current. Let's do it on 4 amps. We can make it even 5 amp. I'm stopping it because something is smelling not right to me. Let's connect it again. Okay, you can see the current. It's 5 amps. Four amps, sorry, over 20 volts, which is 80 watts. Okay, I will discharge it and then we will continue. Okay, so battery was discharged to 3 point something volts. So now if there will be a short, nothing harm will happen. By the way, the cells are pretty hot because I did it while discharging with 5 amps. Okay, anyway, it doesn't hold enough power, so I have to replace them. So now let's try to walk step by step how to replace the cells. So So let's see how to do it. Okay, so I have these cells and they are connected on both sides, which is not a good thing for me. So what I will do is this. I will disassemble one side so it will fit to my needs currently. So gently I'm tearing this part off, but leaving one side connected, the other is not. And now I have to find a good way to disassemble this one. Okay, so let's try to do it. First time in my life doing such a thing. Hopefully I will be able to do it. So there is no other way than to break, of course, part of this plastic up. Did you see the short? So this is exactly the reason that it is recommended to discharge the battery, because if I'm touching from the plus to the minus, so there will be a short here. It will not explode because I discharged already the batteries, but we need to work safe. There are many plastic here. Okay, so I will have to cut this side of the metal. Here I don't have to cut, I just have to push it down after disconnecting the red wire. And then I can push it hopefully to this side if everything is here free of catching the battery. I see one problem already. Wow, how did they do it? Holy shit. Okay, there is a plastic here that will prevent me, so maybe I will have to replace each cell by itself. Thinking about it. Okay, so let's start to cut the wires. So this one I will have to put it back later. Now I also will mention which cells are connecting to which. So here we have one, these two and these two, and on this side of course will be these two and these two. This is the connection before taking it off. So now I will have gently to cut the wire. Try not to short anything. Okay. One side, okay. Let's do the same here. When cutting, try to prevent any short. If you are on the negative side, it is more easy than on the positive side, because on the positive side, as you can see, this cell is going out pretty easy. But I will have, as I see it, there is no other way than doing what I'm doing now in order to put the cell inside. So in order to make sure that we are doing it okay, so it will be a good thing to put cell by cell. Let's see if the size is the same. It's almost the same. The new cell is a little longer. The length is a little higher, but it fits in, so it's okay. If it's fit in, so we are okay. Okay, I'm cutting it because it didn't fit till the end. So now I'm okay. Okay, let's see. Yes, it seems to me in the correct place. So one cell, we are okay and good to go. Later I will need to, of course, solder between the parts. This will be the last step here. Okay, maybe I will cut part of the wire here. Again, very gently do everything. I think I will remove this part and I will solder later. I don't see any other good way to do it. Okay, so one cell was replaced. The other one will go out to this side, I think. Let's cut it and again try to avoid shorting. Okay, this cell is now free to move. Yes, it is free to move. So just pulling it like this. It's a little stuck. Eventually it will go out. It's a good way, again, not to work with something that's conducting and use something that is not conducting, like plastic or wood. So I will try to find something. Okay, I found a pen. So with the pen I can work. It is totally plastic. Okay, now understand what is catching it. There is a rubber here.